This is Shannon Volmet. Shannon Volmet. New signets, repeat new signets. Met reports. Brussels National, Met report. Brussels National at 1920 Zulu. Wind 230 degrees, 8 knots. Tab OK. Temperature 23, dew point 17. kHz 1015, low 6. Amsterdam Schiphol, Met report. Amsterdam Schiphol at 1925 Zulu. Wind 230 degrees, 21 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light busy, cloud, few at 600 feet. Spotted at 1,100 feet. Ceiling broken at 2,800 feet. Temperature 19, dew point 18, kHz 1012, tempo wind 240 degrees, 22 knots, gusting 35 knots. Visibility 4,000 meters. Moderate rain showers. Cloud, ceiling broken at 1,100 feet. Few towering cumulus at 2,000 feet. Becoming from 2015. Wind 280 degrees, 16 knots. Frankfurt, Met report. Frankfurt at 1920 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 200 degrees, 9 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light rain showers. Cloud, few towering cumulus at height unknown. Temperature 23, dew point 15, kHz 1017, low 6. Cologne Bonn, Met report. Cologne Bonn at 1920 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 200 degrees, 5 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Moderate rain showers. Cloud, few cumulonimbus at height unknown. Temperature 22, dew point 15, kHz 1016. Hamburg, Met report. Hamburg at 1920 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 180 degrees, 10 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light rain showers. Cloud, few towering cumulus at height unknown. Temperature 19, dew point 15, kHz 1011. Recent moderate rain showers. Tempo wind 240 degrees, 10 knots. Moderate rain. Repeating, Brussels National, Met report. Brussels National at 1920 Zulu. Wind 230 degrees, 8 knots. Tab OK. Temperature 23, dew point 17. kHz 1015, low 6. Repeating, Amsterdam Schiphol, Met report. Amsterdam Schiphol at 1925 Zulu. Wind 230 degrees, 21 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light drizzle, cloud, few at 600 feet. Scattered at 1,100 feet. Ceiling broken at 2,800 feet. Temperature 19, dew point 18, kHz 1012, tempo wind 240 degrees, 22 knots, gusting 35 knots. Visibility 4,000 meters. Moderate rain showers. Cloud, ceiling broken at 1,100 feet. Few towering cumulus at 2,000 feet. Becoming from 2015. Wind 280 degrees, 16 knots. Repeating, Frankfurt, Met report. Frankfurt at 1920 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 200 degrees, 9 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light rain showers. Cloud, few towering cumulus at height unknown. Temperature 23, dew point 15, kHz 1017, low 6. This is Shannon Volmet. Shannon Volmet. Forecast. Rome Fiumicino. Forecast. Rome Fiumicino. Valid from the 4th at 1800 until the 5th at 2400. Wind 320 degrees, 16 knots. Cab okay. Becoming between 2000 and 2200. Wind 020 degrees, 7 knots. Becoming between 0900 and 1100. Wind 280 degrees, 15 knots. Tempo from 1300 until 1800. Wind 280 degrees, 16 knots. Gusting to 6 knots. Becoming between 2000 and 2200. Wind 020 degrees, 7 knots. Milan Malpensa. Forecast. Milan Malpensa. Valid from the 4th at 1800 until the 5th at 2400. Wind variable 5 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud 2 at 4,000 feet. Met reports. Rome Fiumicino. Met report. Rome Fiumicino at 1920 Zulu. Wind 300 degrees, 11 knots. Cab okay. Temperature 24. Dew point 18. kHz 1016. Low sig. Milan Malpensa. Met report. Milan Malpensa at 1920 Zulu. Wind 280 degrees, 4 knots. Wind varying between 250 degrees and 330 degrees. Cab okay. Temperature 26. Dew point 15. kHz 1018. Low sig. Tune Met report. Tune at 1920 Zulu. Wind 350 degrees, 4 knots. Cab okay. Temperature 25. Dew point 14. kHz 1018. Lisbon Met report. Lisbon at 1930 Zulu. Wind 320 degrees, 9 knots. Cab okay. Temperature 26. Dew point 19. kHz 1018. Lagos Met report. Lagos no report received. Santa Maria Met report. Santa Maria at 1930 Zulu. Wind 030 degrees, 16 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud 2 at 1,100 feet. Temperature 24. Dew point 20. kHz 1027. Repeating, Rome Fiumicino. Met report. Rome Fiumicino at 1920 Zulu. Wind 200 degrees, 11 knots. Cab okay. Temperature 24. Dew point 18. kHz 1016. Low sig. Repeating, Milan Malpensa. Met report. Milan Malpensa at 1920 Zulu. Wind 280 degrees, 4 knots. Wind varying between 250 degrees and 330 degrees. Cab okay. Temperature 26. Dew point 15. kHz 1018. Low sig. Repeating, Tune Met report. Tune at 1920 Zulu. Wind 350 degrees, 4 knots. Cab okay. Temperature 25. Dew point 14. kHz 1018. Repeating, Lisbon Met report. Lisbon at 1930 Zulu. Wind 320 degrees, 9 knots. Cab okay. Temperature 26. Dew point 19. kHz 1018. This is Shannon Volmet. Shannon Volmet. No signals. Repeat, no signals. Forecast. Brussels National. Forecast. Brussels National. Valid from the 4th at 1800 until the 5th at 2400. Wind 240 degrees, 11 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud started at 2,500 feet. Started at 4,000 feet. Becoming between 2000 and 2200. Cloud ceiling broken at 1,200 feet. Tempo from 2100 until 0100. Visibility 4,000 meters. Moderate rain, moderate drizzle. Cloud ceiling overcast at 800 feet. Becoming between 0100 and 0300. Cloud scattered at 3,000 feet. Net reports. Brussels National Net report. Brussels National at 1950 Zulu. Wind 240 degrees, 14 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light rain. Cloud scattered at 4,800 feet. Temperature dew point 17. kHz 1015. Below 6. Amsterdam Schiphol. Net report. Amsterdam Schiphol at 1955 Zulu. Wind 230 degrees, 15 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud few at 600 feet. Scattered at 900 feet. Ceiling broken at 1,200 feet. Temperature 19, dew point 18. kHz 1012. Tempo wind 240 degrees, 22 knots. Gusting 35 knots. Visibility 4,000 meters. Moderate rain showers. Cloud scattered at 1,100 feet. Few towering cumulus at 2,000 feet. Becoming from 2030. Wind 280 degrees, 16 knots. Frankfurt Net report. Frankfurt at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 200 degrees, 7 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light rain showers. Cloud few cumulonimbus at height unknown. Temperature 22. Dew point 16. kHz 1018. Recent moderate rain showers. Below 6. Hamburg Net report. Hamburg at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 160 degrees, 8 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light rain showers. Cloud few at 4,600 feet. Few towering cumulus at height unknown. Temperature 19, dew point 15. kHz 1011. Recent moderate rain showers. Tempo wind 220 degrees, 10 knots. Moderate rain. Munich Net report. Munich at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 130 degrees, 3 knots. Wind varying between 080 degrees and 170 degrees. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud ceiling broken at 3,300 feet. Broken at 3,900 feet. Temperature 17. Dew point 14. kHz 1022. Below 6. This is Shannon Volmet. Shannon Volmet. Forecast. London Heathrow. Forecast. London Heathrow. Valid from the 4th at 1800 until the 5th at 2400. Wind 280 degrees 10 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud few at 3,000 feet. Probability 30%. Tempo from 1800 until 1900. Visibility 6 kilometers. Moderate rain showers. Cloud ceiling broken at 1,200 feet. Probability 30%. Tempo from 1000 until 1800. Wind 290 degrees 15 knots. Gusting 25 knots. London Stansted. Forecast. London Stansted. Valid from the 4th at 1800 until the 5th at 2400. Wind 270 degrees 10 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud 2 at 4,000 feet. Probability 40%. Tempo from 1000 until 1800. Wind 290 degrees 15 knots. Gusting 25 knots. Met reports. London Heathrow. Met report. London Heathrow at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 200 degrees 8 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud scattered at 4,800 feet. Temperature 21. Dew point minor. kHz 1015. Below sig. London Gatwick. Met report. London Gatwick at 1950 Zulu. Wind 230 degrees 5 knots. Cabo K. Temperature 19. Dew point 18. kHz 1015. London Stansted. Met report. London Stansted at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 260 degrees 7 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. No cloud detected. Temperature 20. Dew point 11. kHz 1014. Prestwick. Met report. Prestwick at 1950 Zulu. Wind 260 degrees 18 knots. Visibility 8 kilometers. Light rain. Cloud few at 3,100 feet. Ceiling broken at 4,600 feet. Temperature 14. Dew point 10. kHz 1009. Glasgow. Met report. Glasgow at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 240 degrees 15 knots. Gusting 27 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Light rain. Cloud scattered at 2,600 feet. Ceiling broken at 3,200 feet. Broken at 3,900 feet. Temperature 13. Dew point 11. kHz 1007. Repeating. London Heathrow. Met report. London Heathrow at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 200 degrees 8 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud scattered at 4,800 feet. Temperature 21. Dew point minor. kHz 1015. No sig. Repeating. London Gatwick. Met report. London Gatwick at 1950 Zulu. Wind 230 degrees 5 knots. Cabo K. Temperature 19. Dew point 18. kHz 1015. This is Shannon Volmet. Shannon Volmet. More signets, repeat more signets. Forecast, Dublin, forecast, Dublin, valid from the 4th at 1800 until the 5th at 1800. Wind 280 degrees, 25 knots, gusting 35 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud, few at 4,000 feet. Becoming between 2100 and 2300. Wind 270 degrees, 18 knots, gusting 28 knots. Becoming between 1600 and 1800. Wind 270 degrees, 14 knots. Shannon, forecast. Shannon, valid from the 4th at 1800 until the 5th at 1800. Wind 280 degrees, 18 knots, gusting 30 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud, few at 3,200 feet. Becoming between 0200 and 0400. Wind 290 degrees, 14 knots. Probability 40%. Tempo from 0400 until 1400. Wind 290 degrees, 15 knots. Gusting 25 knots. Met reports. Dublin, Met report. Dublin at 2000 Zulu. Wind 270 degrees, 19 knots. Gusting 30 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud, few at 4,000 feet. Temperature 15. Dew point 7. kHz 1016. Low 6. Shannon, Met report. Shannon at 2000 Zulu. Wind 270 degrees, 13 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud, few at 2,300 feet. Temperature 15. Dew point 10. kHz 1020. Low 6. Manchester, Met report. Manchester at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 270 degrees, 13 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. No cloud detected. Temperature 16. Dew point 7. kHz 1015. Low 6. Keflavik, Met report. Keflavik at 2000 Zulu. Wind 260 degrees, 10 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud, ceiling broken at 1,100 feet. Temperature 11. Dew point 8. kHz 1001. Repeating, Dublin, Met report. Dublin at 2000 Zulu. Wind 270 degrees, 19 knots. Gusting 30 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud, few at 4,000 feet. Temperature 15. Dew point 7. kHz 1016. Low 6. Repeating, Shannon, Met report. Shannon at 2000 Zulu. Wind 270 degrees, 13 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. Cloud, few at 2,300 feet. Temperature 15. Dew point 10. kHz 1020. Low 6. Repeating, Manchester, Met report. Manchester at 1950 Zulu. Automated observation. Wind 270 degrees, 13 knots. Visibility 10 kilometers or more. No cloud detected. Temperature 16. Dew point 7. kHz 1015. Low 6. This is Shannon Volmet.